Hello students, today we are going to study 5th numerical of previous year gate question. Now the question is given as the Le-Chatelier apparatus is used to determine. The first option is compressive strength of cement, the next one is fineness of cement, another one is setting time of cement, and the last one is soundness of cement. Now we know that Le-Chatelier apparatus is used to determine the soundness of cement as per Indian Standard Code 4031 Part 3. Now, this cement testing procedure is called Le-Chatelier test for determining the unsoundness property of cement due to presence of free lime only. So, option D is the correct answer, that is soundness of cement. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.